What's up, TikTokers? This your boy. I had dug into my vault. I got a couple stories I'm gonna tell today. This one is called Good Hair versus Nappy Hair. Back in the day, 92 to 94, somewhere in there, my mom and brother owned a nightclub in Port Arthur, Texas called Club X Factor. And I was the club promoter and manager. That was one particular chick used to come to the club all the time that I kind of was feeling, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't know if she was feeling me. So one weekend she came in and I approached her. She said, "Man, I really like you and everything." She said, "But I'm trying to have my babies before I get older." And she said, "I can't have a baby by you because you got nappy hair." Now, I was taken aback by that because I never heard no shit like that. But oddly enough, it made sense to me. She put some thought into this shit. So I said, okay, that's cool. So me and her never fucked around. We became, cool, cordial, whatever, whenever she come to the club. A year later, I saw her at a grocery store in Port Arthur. And she had this dude with her. And this motherfucker's one of them Indian, mixed Creole motherfuckers. He had that long ass, nigga had braids, 4 braids. Long, all the way down his back. Natural hair, just beautiful shit. Nigga had nice baby hair and all that shit. Just beautiful hair, man. So she had a little baby with her, wrapped in a blanket, and he was pushing the grocery cart. Well, the guy was, and she was walking with him with the baby. So I walked up. I said, "Hey, what's going on? I ain't seen you in a while. How's it going?" So she introduced me to a guy and all that. I said, "Well, is that your baby?" She said, "Yeah." She said, "You want to look? So you want to see him?" So it was a little boy. So she pulled the blanket down far enough for me to see the little baby's eyes, and immediately I was sort of taken aback. So being this motherfucker who I am, I took my finger, I pulled the blanket all the way down so I could see the baby's face. The baby was severely autistic, but he had good hair. DNA, y'all need to check these niggas' DNA. My kids got nappy hair, but look at them. They healthy, ain't got no disease, no nothing. DNA, she didn't do that one.